Welcome back to the Go-To Roofer podcast, where we help roofing companies scale, sell, and succeed. I'm your host, Sam Nudek, and today we're going to dive deep into one of the most important aspects of your roofing company, your sales process. So whether you're a seasoned pro or you're just getting started, in this episode, we're going to walk you through the exact steps to market yourself, approach homeowners, and close more deals.
Be the best, I'ma beat the rest. I'm the go-to roofer, the go-to roofer.
The roofing sales process.
I'm a go-to roofer, the go-to.
All right, welcome back. Roofing sales, the mother of all sales jobs. If you're ready to make bank and implement a killer sales process into your business, then I'm about to give it to you. Step one is to market your brand. That's not sales, that's marketing. Yes, it is. Marketing is so important because it gets you visible. So before you can sell anything to people, they need to know who you are. If you're not visible, you're not an option in the homeowner's mind. So I'm going to say that again. If you're not visible, you're not an option in the homeowner's mind. That's why marketing your brand is key. So here's what works. Number one is digital marketing, ads, websites, SEO, social media. Be where people hang out. Print marketing, direct mail, magazines, billboards. Getting your branding in front of them when they're out of the house. And then brand visibility, your yard signs, your truck wraps, your uniforms. Be visible wherever you or your team is at. And then finally, face-to-face connections. Networking and good old-fashioned door knocking works just as well. Go out and meet them where they're at face-to-face. Look, you need to be everywhere so that when a homeowner needs a roof, they already know and trust your name. I mean, that's our whole thing here at Go-To Roofer, right? Making you a household name. So, the second step is then to start the sales process. Interrupt. That first approach, when you're knocking doors or you're talking to leads, you've got to interrupt their day with confidence, with a purpose. And here's a few ways that you could open that conversation. Always start with, hey, my name is Sam and I'm with the Go-To Roofer. Give your name and your company name. If there's been a storm recently, you could say, I noticed you may have had some damage from the storm on whatever date. Where are you at in the claims process? That opens up the conversation to insurance. And if you're working in the neighborhood doing a roof next door, you could say something like, hey, I'm doing a project a few doors down. We're building a roof over there, and I'm just checking with the neighbors to see if anyone is in need of a free roof inspection. Have you had anyone up there to look at your roof recently? This is more of a soft opening that allows them to be comfortable with who you are and why you're there, and gets right to the point of what's going on with their roof. If their neighbor maybe recently got a free replacement due to insurance, you could stop by and say, hey, I'm stopping by because the neighbor had damage on their roof. They were able to qualify for a full replacement with actually no money out of their own bank account. Anyways, you've got the same type of roof, and I wondered if you've had anyone up there recently. Addressing the main pain point, giving you a soft opening, and then jumping right into, hey, what's going on up there? Here's another suggestion, making it kind of official, and you want to sound official coming up to the door. You could say, hey, my name is Sam with the Go-To Roofer. I've been assigned to investigating your roof, and we've helped a lot of people in the area get that taken care of. Did I catch you at a bad time? And allow that to naturally open up the conversation. Makes you sound more like an inspector, a city official or something coming up to the door. Or if you like that hard sales approach and going that direct confrontational approach to sales, you can say, have you heard about what's going on? Have you seen the new roofs getting replaced? Why haven't you gotten a new roof yet? And just go directly for the kill. It's really all about getting the conversation started, and it's making it easy for the homeowner to say yes to an inspection. The second step in the sales process is then to investigate the homeowner. Once they're opening up and talking, it's time to figure out where they're at in the process and where you can add value. So start by asking questions like, has anyone been on the roof yet? Have you noticed any damage? How many estimates have you gotten? Have you ever been through the claims process before? What has stopped you from moving forward on this? These type of questions help you understand what the customer needs and then how you can help them solve those problems. To investigate the roof, do the inspection and add value. So let's get to the fun part, the roof inspection. This is where you prove your value and you build your trust with the homeowner. Come prepared, look professional. You should be wearing company hats or shirts. Smell and look nice, have a smile on your face. And as far as equipment, bring safe boots, a tape measure, chalk, extendable ladder, bungee cords, hammer, gloves, pitch gauge, pencil, notebook, your phone with any necessary company apps, and a quality camera. You want to look like you belong here, you've done this before, and this is your everyday job. So here's what you're looking for when you get up on the homeowner's roof. You're going to be looking for shingle issues, missing shingles, lifted shingles, cracked shingles, granular loss. You're going to be looking for storm damage. Is there already debris and stuff on the roof? You want to be looking for wind, hail, other impact damage that may be up there. Look at the flashing and the seals around the chimney, the drip edge, the starter strip, the ventilation of the roof. Is it being sunk in? Is it being blown out? Is it got proper ventilation? If you can, get up in the attic, look at the ridge vents, look at the ridge caps. Make sure that the ventilation on that roof is good, because a bad ventilation can ruin a perfectly good roof. Look for collateral damage, gutters, sidings, fences, garage doors, wherever there may be other collateral damage related to a storm or the event that you're looking at. One thing that is kind of a pro tip is always get quality photos and video. This is the biggest thing that a lot of roofing companies miss, is getting good quality videos and photos of the roof. Even as an inspector, learn how to use a camera, learn what framing is, learn how to compose a good shot and get good lighting on it so that there's no question, and you can use those assets later for the company in marketing and social media materials. So kind of plan for that ahead of time. Use chalk to mark any damage. Use drone shots or GPS to get good, accurate measurements of the roof, and don't leave anything out. Have a detailed numbered checklist that will clearly show the homeowners exactly what's going on the roof and that you're following a process. That's the thing that keeps them safe above their heads at night, so it's important to show them that you care. Step number 5 is then to build certainty into the sale and handle their objections. So once you've got that inspection data, it's time to present those findings to the homeowner. Show them recent storm reports, give them a full line estimate written out, fully transparent, to show them what types of materials and labor and all that kind of stuff goes into a roof, and then help them with their insurance claim. If they're hesitant, handle objections with with confidence. Like if they say, I need to think about it. Oh, I totally understand. What's holding you back at the moment? Try and dig into that a little more. If they say, well, I don't really want to file a claim right now, you could respond by saying, well, that's your choice, but did you know that storm damage actually worsens over time, and you only have so long after the storm event to file? So why would you wait to at least initiate that process today? Help them explore that a little more. I got another quote from another guy. Well, you could say, hey, I figured as much. A lot of people already have a roofer in mind, but what we do is a little bit different. When contractors compete, you win. So what have they done for you so far, and how can I help you compare the quality of what they're offering? This lets them know that, hey, maybe this experience isn't the same between roofers, and there is a question of quality. And that could open up the door for you to be able to compare and see the other roofer's quote and be able to explain that to the homeowner in order to add value. Remember, your job isn't to push them, it is to guide them towards the right decision. All right, step number 6 is to ask for the close. Get that contingency agreement. Look, if the homeowner is already on board, they're giving you signals, don't wait to close the deal. Collect their contact information, get their insurance information, pull out that contingency form, read it verbatim, keep them short and simple, but everything that you need in there so that they can understand, hey, this isn't going to be any money out of pocket until things are approved and all that kind of stuff. Get that contingency agreement so another roofer can't come in and do what I just said and compare qualities and win them over. Then if it's an insurance deal, you want to set that adjuster meeting right there. Help them understand the steps to do that and be there with them to help them in that process. You cannot, as a roofer, actually make that call. You can hand the phone to them and give them the number, but you cannot make that call, or you can be there as support for that homeowner, but you don't want to get yourself in a situation where there would be any accusation of insurance fraud and having that come back to you. So assist them, but do not do it. If it's not an insurance adjuster meeting, then you're going to want to set a kitchen table for retail where you can go through and help them with the next process. And this is really good if it is retail. You can go ahead and help them pick the materials and the colors of the roof right there if they're on board. And confidence is key. If you've done everything right, asking for the signature should feel really natural on that contingency agreement. So as we said, we got to meet with the adjuster if it's insurance. So you want to play it smart during this meeting. If you have to meet with the adjuster, Here's how to do it right. Arrive early and know who they are before they get there. Hold the ladder for them. Be helpful in pointing out proof of the damage and build a positive relationship with the adjuster, because you never know if you're going to see that adjuster again. You can always advocate for the homeowner. Don't argue, but keep it professional. The adjuster makes the final call, so you want them to respect you, not to resist you on the roof. And if you can build a good relationship with your adjuster, you're going to get a lot more roofs bought. It's going to be a good time. All right, after meeting with the adjuster, you want to send it to supplement or continue your kitchen table if it's a retail deal. So now is the time to finalize the deal, get the money, collect the check, get the job going. If it's an insurance job, then you want to handle the supplements and the upgrades in a professional manner and try and get the most value for the homeowner as you can. If it's retail, finalize the material, colors, payment plan. This is a great time to go ahead and offer upgrades, like an upgrade to solar if you do solar and roofing, or switching them over to a metal roof, showing them how it's almost the same cost as a shingle roof and last a lot longer. Or you can get them on like an annual maintenance plan, coming back in the spring and the fall to do an inspection and to clean gutters or something like that to increase the value of the sale. So the last step is to sign that contract and collect that payment check. The first thing is to present the final numbers. Once you've hashed everything out, homeowner's happy, you're happy, supplier's happy, everything's good, get that signature and collect the first check on the job. Or if it's an insurance job, you'll have to wait for the insurance to approve it and the homeowner to get that check. Don't forget, this is a great time to ask for a review. You can ask a homeowner to give you a review at any point during the process, and right after a successful sale, they're already on a high. That's a great time to get a review on your sales process and on the professionalism of your company before you even do the work. Look, a happy homeowner is your best marketing tool, so make sure that they leave with a great experience with your company. And that's it. You're sending them off to the project manager to get materials ordered and to get that job started. So that's it. You've seen it all, the complete roofing process from start to finish. And if you found this video helpful, hey, do me a favor and like and subscribe, and then share this episode with members of your team. If you've got questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments below, because I love to hear from my listeners. If you're a roofer making more than $1 million a year, I'd love to get you on the Go-To Roofer podcast and pick your brain and share some of your insights. You can do that at thegotoroofer.com. Just fill out your information and let me know you're reaching out about the podcast. So until next time, keep selling, keep serving those homeowners, and stay on top of your roofing game to make your roofing company a household name.
Up upon that rooftop, nail it down. Another bundle from the ground. Can you hear the sound of that brap, brap, brap? That's a rapper tap, tap. I'm a working hardy fool when I'm out with the crew. I'm a marketing master, not a hole in the plaster. I'm a go-to roofer, the go-to roofer, cause I know the tricks to automate the wins. Better bring a subwoofer, I'm a go-to roofer. I'ma be the best, I'ma beat the rest. I'm the go-to roofer, the go-to roofer. I'm a hometown fool with a hometown crew. I'm a go-to roofer, the go-to roofer. Hammer to the steel early in the morning, giving curb appeal. It's a 5-star warrant. I get it done, even on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. I don't stop until it's done. I'll be working while I'm young, running Facebook ads, making TikToks on the run. I'm the go-to roofer, the go-to roofer. I'm a go-to roofer, the go-to roofer, son. I'ma be the best, I'ma beat the rest. I'm the go-to roofer, the go-to roofer. I'm a hometown fool with a hometown crew. I'm a go-to roofer, the go-to roofer. Hail damage insurance, commercial repairs, residential on the roof. I'm the one who really cares. When I care, I come through. Ain't no messing around with my marketing on point. Got my whole hometown. I'm the best dang roofer. See, cause I know roofs. Got a guy named Sam who can show you the proof. Got a guy named Sam that can show you the proof.